Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We will continue our ABAP programming with a very important topic, and that is offset length. In every project or in every real-time work, you will need offset length for sure. You have to use offset length logic in your ABAP programming or coding. So let's start the topic offset length. We will discuss the topic with the help of a program so that you can understand easily. So offset length means use of a string by specifying where to start and how many characters to take from it. Okay. For example, what is offset length? Offset length means use of a string. Okay, use of a string. Suppose what is string? String means set of characters. Set of characters. Suppose a name SAP GUI is the name. Okay, this is a string. It is a set of characters. It's a collection of characters. So we will call it as string. String type data type. This we can call it string type data type. So use of a string. Okay, we have to use this string. Okay, by specifying where to start, from first character or from second character, or where to start and how many characters we will take from this string. Okay, in real time as a developer you will get such requirement to change some part of the specific string. Suppose you get a requirement that change the first three characters SAP to some SAM. Okay, you can change to SAP to SAM or RAM. Okay, you can change. You can get this such requirement. So what is offset length? Offset length means use of a string by specifying where to start. Okay, where to start from here or from here or from here, and how many characters you want to take it from this string. So this is called offset length concept. Okay, so we will see a real-time example. So what is the syntax of offset length? What is the syntax? So the first syntax is F1 plus offset length. F1 plus offset length. What is F1? F1 is nothing but our string. F1 is nothing but our string. How will we declare the string? With help of data keyword. Data F1 of suppose length 10, type C is the, so this F1 we will assign some value F1. Suppose the value is master. Okay, we assign F1 value is master. Now what is F1 plus offset length? F1 plus offset length. F1 is our string. F1 plus offset length is nothing but, for example, we will see the syntax as F1 plus offset is nothing but the starting of the position. Suppose it can be 0 or it can be 1 or it can be any number. Okay, for example 0 of 1. Okay, F1 plus 0 of 1. What is 0? 0 is the starting position. From starting position length is 1. First length is character M. Okay, F1 plus 0 of 1, offset length. Whatever we will assign in the bracket, it is our length, and whatever we will assign it as a number, it is our offset. For example, F1 plus 2 of 5. Okay, 2 of 5. 2 is starting position, which is our offset, and 5 is our length. Starting from 2 means this is our 0, 1, and this is 2. From A to 5 length, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to R. This is the length of the string. Okay, offset is 2 and length is 5. You understand clearly? F1 plus offset length. This is our first syntax. So what we will get the requirement? You may get the requirement to change the value, or you can get the requirement to replace the value with some other value. Okay, now what is the second syntax? f1 of length. Whatever with whatever in bracket, that will be your length. For example, f1 of 2. Okay, f1 of 2. 2 is the length. f1 of 2 is nothing but f1 plus 0 of 2. We don't have anything, that means 0 of 2. Offset is 0. Okay, offset is 0 from starting from 0 position to second position. What will be the value for it? For this f1 of 2, starting from 0 position to length 2. f1 of 2 is nothing but length 2. Okay, what is the third one? f1 plus offset. f1 plus offset, suppose 3. f1 plus 3, because it is not in bracket. It is not in bracket means it is offset. So starting from third position. What is third position? S. S is our third position. f1 plus 3. From third position to up to the end. Okay, up to the end. Start off and take up to the end. Okay, f1 plus 3 is equal to, offset is 3 here. Offset is 3 means starting from third position to until the end. What is the first syntax? f1 plus offset of length. Offset is our the starting position and length is our up to how much length we will take. f1 of length is nothing but f1 of 0 plus length. Okay, f1 plus offset is nothing but f1 plus our starting position. So we will see the real-time example in our ABAP coding. So let's go to our SE38 screen. Okay, now we are in SE38. SE38 is for ABAP editor where we write the code. This is our program and we will change the program. Okay. Format, comment out lines. Let's see the next program for offset length. This is very important topic. You will get such requirement in your real-time work. Okay. So we will go step by step. So what we have declared here? We have declared one variable f1 of length 7. Nothing mentioned means it is type C. And the second variable is f2 of length 7. Nothing mentioned means type C. What we have assigned the value? f1 is equals to boy and f2 is equals to big. But the length is 7. So we gave 3 length to boy and the rest 4 is empty for f1. Similarly for f2 also 3 length is for big and 4 length is empty. Okay. Now now f1 plus offset length. f1 plus offset length. What is f1 plus offset length? What will be the value for offset length? We'll go to our PPT and see. f1 plus 0 of 1. What is the value of f1? Boy. Okay. We will insert one more slide to discuss. Okay. So f1 plus 0 of 1. What is our f1? f1 is our boy. Okay. What is our f1? f1 is our boy. So f1 plus 0 of 1, that is offset length, and we are replacing the value as t. We will assign the value t to our f1 plus offset length 0 of 1. Offset is 0 means starting from 0 up to length 1. Length is 1 means starting from 0 up to length 1. If we go to our PPT, what is the starting from 0? 0 to here. Okay, 0 starting from length 1, B. So B is replaced with value t. V is replaced with value t. We assign value to t. Okay, we assign value t to the f1 of 0 of 1. So what will be the recent value now? Current value will be toy, toy. We will see the coding. Write f1. Okay, Now we will save the program. We will check syntax. We will activate and we will execute. So what is the answer? The result is TOY because we replace the value F1 of length 1, F1 offset 0. That is means starting from 0 to length 1. Okay, starting from 0 to length 1. We replace the value B with T. So the result is TOY. This is our first syntax. If we go to next coding, what we have done here, F1 of length 1, F1 of length 1. This is our second syntax. F1 of length 1 is equals to J. So what is this? F1 of length 1 is nothing but F1 plus 0 of length 1. F1 plus 0 of length 1. Offset is 0 here, starting from 0 to length 1. So what is the current value for F1? What is the current value for F1? Current value of F1 is TOY toy. Okay, so if we replace the T with J, what will the answer? JOY joy. Okay, JOY joy. We'll see that. Save syntax, save code, check syntax, activate and execute. See, first F1 is TOY toy, second F1 is JOY joy. So we replaced T with J here. F1 of offset 0, length 1. Okay, let's see the next part. What we have done here, F1 of length 1 and F2 of length 1. F1 value is BOY boy, but recent value of F1 is JOY joy. It is not BOY boy. Recent F1 value is JOY joy and F2 value is big. Okay, recent F2 value is big and F1 value is joy. So what we have done here, F1 of length 1 means first letter, first character, length 1. F1 of length 1 starting from 0 to length 1. What is starting from 0 to length 1? It is J. It is J. And F2 of length 1. Similarly, what is the F2 of length 1? It is B. So what we are doing here? We are assigning B to J. Okay. We'll see in PPT. So what is the our F1 of length 1 is equals to F2 of length 1. This is nothing but our F1 plus offset length of 1 is equals to F2 of offset length of 1. What is the F1 value here? JOY. And what is the F2 value here? Big. BIG, big. Now, what we are doing? We are assigning this value. What is this value? F2 plus starting from F1, starting from F2 to first length. What is the first length? It is B. What we are assigning? B. We are assigning the value B to F1 of starting from first character to length 1. What is the starting from first character to length 1? It is J. So we are assigning B to J. So what will be the result? The result will be BOY. Okay, we are not changing these two letters. We are changing only starting from the first character to starting from 0 to first character. Okay, F1 of length 1 is nothing but F1 of 0 of 1. So we cover the second example as well. We cover the first example, F1 plus offset of length, F1 plus 0 of length 1. Second one is F1 of length 1, okay, or length 2 or length 3. This is up to your requirement. Okay, next is F1 of F1 plus offset. Okay, we will see the F1 plus offset example. So what we have done here, F1 plus 4. 4 is offset. F1 plus 4. We will see the in practical. So what we have done here, F1 plus 4. We have not written it in bracket. So this is our offset. Offset means starting from this position. Starting from this position. What is our F1 value here? BOY, boy. So we have written BOY, boy. F1 plus starting from fourth position. So this is our fourth position. Starting from fourth position, F1 plus 4 is equals to what we have written in our code. F1 plus 4 is equals to F1. Okay, again we have written as F1. So starting from this fourth position, we will give the value to F1. How many length we have for F1? We have 7 characters. Okay, we have declared 7 characters, right? F1 of length 7, F1 of length 7. So total place is 7. Now what we are doing? We are doing assigning the F1 value. What is F1 value? BOY, boy, to our fourth position, starting from fourth position. How many letters we will replace it with? BOY, 3 letters. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what is the value? The value will be boy, boy. What is the value? The value will be boy, boy. What is the value? The value will be boy, boy. You understand the program? If you understand the program, then please write it in the comment that you have understood. If you have any query regarding offset and length, then you can ask me in the comment also. Okay, so we will once again see the program here. So what we have done here, we have declared 2 variables or 2 strings or 2 character types variables. What are the values for the variables? Boy and B. So what we have done in the first line, we have done as F1 plus offset length 0 of 1. 0 of 1 means starting from 0 position to first length. What is the F1 value currently? Currently it is boy. So what is the starting position? 0 to first length is B. So we replace B with T. So what will be the new value for F1? The new value will be TOY, toy. Now in the second syntax, what is this? F1 of length 1. Whatever in bracket, it is length. F1 of length 1 is equals to J. So we are replacing the first length with J. First length means F1 plus 0 of 1. Starting from 0 to 1. F1 of 1 is nothing but this one only. F1 of 0 of 1. So we are replacing T. The current value is toy. And we are replacing T with J. So what will be the value? Value will be JOY, joy. Now F1 of length 1 is equals to F2 of length 1. So F1 of length 1 is nothing but F1 plus 0 of 1 and F2 plus 0 of 1. F1 of 0 plus 1 is J. The recent value of F1 is J. So the F1 of 0 of 1 is J. J is replaced with F2 of length 1. F2 of length 1 is nothing but B. F2 value is big. So F2 of 0 of 1 is B. So we are replacing B with J. So what will be the value of F1? The value of F1 will be boy again. Okay, we will check syntax. We will see our third result. Execute. See, the third result is boy. Now let's go to our fourth coding. F1 plus offset. Offset value is 4. F1 plus offset value is 4. Starting from fourth position, what we will assign to the rest of the place? We will assign F1. Already we have F1 as boy, and after boy, starting from fourth position, we are assigning boy once again because we have total 7 characters. So it can take 3 characters easily. If we have declared as 6th here, if we have declared the length 6, then how many characters it will take? It will take only 2 characters from the F1 value. Okay. So F1 value is now boy. F1 value is now here. What is the F1 value here? F1 value here is boy. So from boy, after boy, from fourth character, we are assigning again F1. So what will be the value here? The value will be BOY, boy. After 4 character, BOY, boy. So this will be the answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 3 characters. After space, because it is the fourth character. Starting from fourth character, we will assign the value F1, B-O-Y, boy, to our F1 value. So now what is F1? F1 is boy, boy. Okay, a boy, boy. We'll see the result. Okay, I think we have to stop the transaction because we did not check syntax and activate it. Okay, so f1 of length 4 is equals to f1. You understand it? So what we have done here, f1 of length 4 is nothing but f1 is boy and plus offset is 4. 4 is starting from 4th position. We are assigning f1 value again. So it will be boy and boy. Okay. Similarly, if we go again to our SE38 ABAP editor, we'll change. Okay, f1 of f1 plus 4. 4 is your offset, not length. It is 4. If we write the value in bracket, then it will be length. If it is normal, then it is offset. So we will check syntax. We will activate. And we will execute the program. So what is the next coding hour? F1 of length 3 is equals to F2 of length 3. So what is F1 now? F1 is our boy, boy. Okay, boy, boy. What is our F1 of length 3 is equals to F2 of length 3? We will see. Okay, we'll remove some part from here. So F1 of length 3 is equals to F2 of length 3. This is nothing but F1 plus 0 of 3 is equals to F2 plus 0 of 3. So what is F1 value? Boy, boy. And F2 is big. So F1 of length 3 is first starting from 0 character, starting from 0 character to third character. Okay, this is boy. We are replacing big, F2 of length 3. All three characters of F2 will be replaced with F1 of length 3. So what will be the value? Big boy. Okay, what will be the value? Big boy. We are F1 of 0 of 3 is equals to F2 plus 0 of 3. Starting from 0th character to 3rd character. Boy is replaced with big. So what will be the value? Big boy. Okay, we'll see the code again. I think I hope you understand the concept easily. So if you have any questions regarding offset and length, please comment it down in the video and I will revert you back. So save the program, check syntax, activate and execute. Okay, our fourth value is boy, boy, because F1 plus 4 is equals to F1. So F1 plus 4 starting from 4th character. 4 is our offset. Offset means starting from 4th character to the end, up to the end. Starting from 4th character up to the end, we will replace with F2. That is our boy. Okay, F1, that is our boy. So answer is boy, boy. If we go back, we'll go for our next coding. We'll see F1 of length 3 is equals to F2 of length 3. Okay, we'll check syntax. What will be here? F1 of length 3. F1 is boy, boy. So first three character of boy is boy and it will be replaced with F2 of length 3. What is the first three character of F2? It is big. So it will be replaced in the place of it will be change the value boy to big. And what is the answer? Big boy. Okay, check syntax, activate, execute. Big boy. What is happening here? Boy is our f1. We are changing f1 of length 3 is equals to f2 of length 3. f2 of length 3 is big, so we are changing boy to big. So answer is big boy. I hope you understand the concept of offset and length, right? So we will recap once again so that you will not confuse. So what is offset? Use of a string. Okay, use of a string from a starting position or a specified position. Okay, specified position to up to certain length. This is our string. What is offset length? Starting from any length to a certain length, starting off any position, suppose from 0 to any length, to take and use of the string is called offset length. Okay, what are the syntax? F1 plus offset of length, which is our starting position to up to the length. This is means offset of length means offset is starting from which position? Offset is starting position. Length is the entire length. F1 of length is nothing but F1 plus 0 of length. 0 is our offset. Offset means starting position. Starting position is 0. Okay. Start at position of and take length. Off means offset, length means length. Okay, f1 of length is f1 of the length is same as f1 of offset 0. Offset as 0 means starting position and length. f1 plus offset. f1 plus offset is start from a particular position to at the end. For example, f1 of f1 plus 4. 4 is our start position up to end. We have to take the value. Okay, from fourth position to at the end. Okay, I hope you understand the concept of offset length. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.